Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about typecasting in Java. In this video, we cover the implicit and explicit casting. What is typecasting? Typecasting in Java is the process of converting one data type into another. For example, if you convert one word of English to other language, there is meaning is same but form is different. Like that only, in this video we study the how to convert one data type into another. Primitive type casting. For example, if you want to convert primitive data types such as int to double, and object type casting. If you want to typecast the object such as parent to child. Think of it as translating one language to another while keeping the meaning same. Before only I have given example. Now I study implicit casting. Java automatically converts a smaller data type to larger data type. Meaning is, if double is a larger data type, it holds the 8 bytes and float holds 4 bytes. If you want to convert float to double, it will be easy because double holds larger range of numbers. So you no need to worry about that. It will be implicitly convert the smaller data type to larger data type. Example, int num int is equal to 10. It's our int data type. If you want to convert it to double, because double is a 8 byte memory, we can assign the int value. Here it automatically converted to double. Explicit casting. Manually converting a larger data type to a smaller data type. Means here is a larger data type cannot fit into a smaller data type because their memory is smaller. If you need to force in Java to convert larger data type to smaller data types. For that, you explicitly say you should convert larger data type to smaller data type. You may lose some data. There is no worry like that. For example, double num double is equal to 9.78. It's a double. And if you want to convert it to int, you explicitly say that you need to convert it integer type. Here we explicitly cast double to int, losing the decimal parts. Here is the code. Here we assign the num int value 10 and we implicitly converts it to double, and it is a double value. We need to explicitly convert it to int if we want to convert it to int or smaller data type. That's it. I think that you are understand what is the typecasting, why we need it, and what is the implicit casting and what is the explicit casting. Thank you.